Pritam Singh testified in court on the third week of his trial. Here's what went down. Taking the stand on November 5th, Workers' Party Chief Pritam Singh testified that he never told Raisa Khan to take the lie to the grave. On October 3rd, 2021, he told her to take ownership and responsibility if the issue arose in Parliament. However, when Raisa repeated her untruth in Parliament on October 4th, Singh said he was incredibly disappointed. He said he didn't push her to clarify at the next day's sitting because he needed more time to address the matter with her and understand why she had to lie again. On November 6, the prosecution began cross-examining Singh, where inconsistencies between his court testimony and what he previously told the Committee of Privileges were highlighted. Singh recalled that after Raisa shared their false anecdote in Parliament on August 3, 2021, she was upset in his office and he helped her draft a clarification for her to read out. Raisa added a sentence to his draft, which he didn't object to, though he later clarified she hadn't informed him she was going to make the addition. Deputy Attorney General An Cheng Hock suggested Singh was trying to mislead the COP by implying that she added the sentence without checking with him, but Singh disagreed. Singh added that he told Raisa to take ownership and responsibility, which he equated to telling her to tell the truth. When Ang questioned Singh about whether he expected Raisa to clarify the untruth in Parliament on October 4th, he admitted he told the COP he wanted her to make the correction then, though he also felt she could have clarified later if the issue wasn't brought up in Parliament. After a tense exchange, Singh said, "The point I'm making is that I visited Raisa on October 3rd because she had not come back to me, and after visiting her, I had no indication from her that she would have a difficulty in telling the truth." The prosecution's cross-examination continued on November 7, where Singh was questioned on how he handled the situation once it became known that Raisa lied in Parliament. "I could have done many things, I agree," Singh said. But he added that his approach to the situation was to be sensitive to Raisa. The prosecution later argued that Singh's early knowledge of the lie and his role in the disciplinary panel posed a conflict of interest. Ang claimed that Singh and WP Chair Sylvia Lim had already decided to expel Raisa, which he denied. He also questioned Singh's choice to keep the disciplinary matter within a small group, suggesting he didn't consider Raisa's comfort level. "It was just a way in which we wanted to protect her, actually," Singh said. The trial continued on November 8 with Ang questioning why Singh told the police he held off clarifying Raisa's second lie. Singh previously said it was because he wasn't sure if her parents were aware that she was sexually assaulted. Ang argued that Raisa and her parents became irrelevant after the repeated lie, and that this was inconsistent with Singh's statement with the police. Later, Singh was grilled about his conversation with former leader of the WP, Lau Tia Kiang, on October 11, 2021, where Raisa's confession was addressed, and was remembered differently by both parties. Lau testified on October 23rd that he suggested forming a disciplinary panel to investigate Raisa's lie. He only learned in August 2023 that Singh and other WP leaders had known about the lie since August 8, 2021. But according to Singh, Lau was already made aware of this. "So either you are lying or he is lying. Is that what you are saying?" Ang asked. Singh responded that the prosecution would have to draw its conclusions, adding, "There was nothing for me to hide from him." Singh told Ang that since Raisa had continued lying, a simple clarification wouldn't have been enough, as she would have had to make a personal statement. The court is adjourned until February 17, 2025, and the prosecution and defense have until January 13 to file their closing submissions.